Hi, in this video today, I would like to show you how to publish ASP.NET MVC Framework to IIS Internet Information Services in Visual Studio 2022. Okay, so now let's get started. Let's open the Visual Studio 2022 in the Windows PC. On this window, you take a look into the right hand side. We have four options. Let's go ahead to click on the option B, create a new project. It will open up another window where you can see some of the project template. And because for now we are going to create a website by using the ASP.NET MVC Framework. So I will select the option on the top for the own languages. It will be C#. Platform, it will be the window. And own project type, it will be the web. And I scroll it down, and you see here we have a ASP.NET Web Application.NET Framework template. Let's select this one and then click on the next button. On this step, you have to provide the project name. So I will enter project name is my ASP.NET MVC Framework setting. You can also change the location to save the shortcode for this project. I will keep this one by default. You can also change the solution name. I will also keep this one default. You can check into the checkbox here. Let the solution and project in the same directory. You can also select another framework for your project. The latest version of .NET Framework for now is 4.8. I will keep it by default as well. And then I click on the create button to create a new project. And on next step here, we have some the type for your project. We can select the type empty, web form, MVC, web API, or even a single page application. By default, it will be select the option the MVC. If we select the option MVC, you take a look to the right hand side, add folder, and call preferences. It will automatically select the MVC option and also make it readable. The same thing. If you are select the web form, it will also select the option the web form on the right hand side. So I will select the MVC option. For the advanced, I will keep it by default. The same thing for authentication mode. I have no authentication for now, so I will keep it by default. And then I will click on create button. The system will help me to create the project based on the template we are selected before. So you see here, the project has been created. This one is the default page. You can see some of the article for the ASP.NET. And in the right hand side, we have the solution explorer. It contains the solution, the project code, and inside the project code, we have some folder for our shortcode. The content, the controller, model, view, and some other related folder for my project here. So let me run this project. So you see here, this is the default ASP.NET MVC templates. We have the home, about, contact. It's just some the simple page here. Okay. And so for now, when you take a look into the URL, localhost 44338 here, that means the website is running underneath of the integrated IIS for the Visual Studio. So if I click on stop button here, that means the website will be closed. We cannot see the website anymore. We have to click on the IIS Express again in order to view the website again. So today, in this of running the website via the IIS for integrated via Visual Studio Show, I will create a website in the IIS Internet Information Services, and then I will publish all of the content, all of the shortcode from this solution into the IIS folder. In this of running it over Visual Studio Show, we can run it directly in the IIS folder. Okay. So here, let me minimize this one first. So for now, I want to make sure the Internet Information Services already running on my PC. and then I will open browser. I type in the URL in localhost. Yeah. So if you can see the default Internet Information Services page like me here, so that means you already installed the IIS successfully on the Windows before. Yeah. In case if you don't see this web page, that means you still not install the IIS on the Windows PC. In my YouTube channel, I have some video to guide you how to install the IIS for the Windows 10, Windows 11, or even Windows 7. You can come there and take a look into the video. In this video training today, I will try to run it quickly to guide you how to enable it on the Windows PC. Okay, so here, you click on Start button and type in the control panel, and you click on the programs. In the program and features, you see here on the top, we have a turn window feature on or off hyperlink. Let's go ahead to click on it. And then it will open up the window features dialog. And then you take a look into the Internet Information Services folder. You can click on the plus button on the left-hand side to expand this one. Here, and inside the Internet Information Services folder, we have some subfolder. Let's go ahead to check on the subfolder inside Internet Information Services folder, like me here, and also please check into the Internet Information Services hot able web call folder. Yeah, and then after you complete check on the folder here, you click on the OK button to perform the action. Yeah, after that, the system will automatically install some of the necessary file. Please have to make sure that you also connect your PC to the internet, because during the installation, it will need to download some of the necessary file from internet to the Windows PC. Yeah, okay. So after that, you come back to open browser and access it to the localhost. You should be able to view this web page. All right. And next step, you will click on Start button and type in the Internet Information Services Manager. Open it up. It will open as a window for the Internet Information Services Manager. Take a look into the left-hand side. We have the connection section. Click on the arrow button here. We have a site. In the site, I have some of the website already installed before. But by default, if this is the first time you are install the Internet Information Services on the Windows PC, you only see the default website. So now, let me right-click on this site and click on Add Website. It will open up as a pop-up for the Add a Website. I can enter the site name. I will have the MVC logo. I copy the site name and also paste it into the hot name here. And for the application pool, it will automatically create an app pool for my new website here. And for the physical part, okay, hang on. Let me open the folder and go to the window. You see here, after we install the IIS successfully on the Windows PC, we have a new folder in IIS App has been created on the Windows PC. Open it up and you take a look into this folder. We have some subfolder. Take a look into the www root folder. So by default, it only contains 3 items. ASP.NET client, IIS start, PNG file. Yeah, okay. This is the default resources of the Internet Information Services website default here. Okay, cool. So let me go ahead to create a new folder inside the root folder. I will have the MVC testing. Enter. Okay. So here for this one, let me create a new file. Okay, hang on. Let me copy the HTML here and paste it into the MVC testing folder. I will change the name is test.htm, and then I will open it in the an editor. Here I'm using the Notepad++, yeah, and I will have the container. I will have the S1, hello S1, hello from Chienwu. Okay, save it up, save it, okay, and close this one. And then I will copy the path of this folder. Okay, I paste it into the physical path here. You can also click on the tab setting. Yeah, authentication. You can see that's this one in green. Yeah, okay. That means this is the valid folder. For the binding, by default, it will be the HTTP and IP address will be on another side. Port number will be 80. Okay, I will give it by default. And then I will click on OK button. Yeah. So you see that we have MVC testing.local website have been created in the menu. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Here. And click on the website and then take a look into the right hand side. We have a pro website. Let's click on this link. It will open the website. MVC testing.local. Yeah. Okay. Okay. But you see here, we cannot open the web page. It seems for now when we access the MVC testing.local, the system don't understand what it means. So now how to do it? Okay, let's open the this PC, go to Window and Window, scroll it down and go to System 32 folder. And you scroll it down and go to driver folder, etc. And in the etc, we have a hot file here. Right click on it and open it up in an editor. So here you have to add a row. This is the localhost IP address, and then you come back to Internet Information Services Manager and edit the binding for this one. Advanced setting. Copy the name and paste it here. We should do some mapping to make the system understand the naming, the new naming for your website. Yeah. Close it, and back to the browser and enter and refresh this one. And for now, we got as an error message forbidden. Yeah. So website is configured to not list the content of this directory. Okay, let's come back to folder. And you see here in the folder, we have only the test.html file. Yeah. In order to access directly into this domain, that means you have to make sure in this folder will contain some the default page like default.html, default.asp8, index.asp8, index.html, or something like so. Yeah. So because for now we have a test.html, so I will copy the name and paste it here. Enter. No, that not work. Okay, hang on. Let me back here. HTTP. Yeah. Okay. So that means for now you can see the content of the test.html file. Hello from Chienwu. Okay, cool. And let me come back and edit this one. Contact me if question. If you have question. Okay. Okay, back to website and refresh this one. Yeah, okay, cool. Okay, all right. So for now, we already installed and set up the website running in the IIS successfully. Yeah. Come back to the shortcode. Okay. So here you see that you right click on the project and select the option in publish. It will open up the publish pop-up here. We have some the target option 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 option here. Because in this project, we are using the Visual Studio and publish or deploy everything from the Visual Studio to this folder. Okay. So I will select the option web server IIS. Yeah, it says that publish the application to IIS using web deploy or web deploy package. Click on next button and I will select the target web deploy. Like on this window, I have to provide the IIS connection. The server, it will be the localhost. Site name, yeah, the site name is a required field. Let me open the browser and copy this one and paste it here. Okay, I will delete some of the prefix, protocol, only need a site name, destination URL. Okay, this one. Okay. For the username and password, yeah, it is blank for now because I didn't set any restriction for the user to access the website by using the username and password. Okay, click on finish button. You see here we have the IIS profile.pub.xml file has been created. Yeah, we have some the new item, new published profile, more action, edit, read name, delete, and preview. Yeah. So here we have some the information have been configured for this published configuration target runtime server, IIS application, username, password, and the size. Okay. You take a look into the top, we have publish button. Let's go ahead to click on it. It says that please launch Visual Studio under administrator mode to perform this deployment action. Okay, so that means in order to publish anything from the Visual Studio to a target folder like this one, you have to open your Visual Studio code in the admin mode. Okay, let's close this window, save it up. Yeah, and then you see here, right click on the icon of Visual Studio and select the option the run as administrator. Yeah, and then you open again the project. All right. So for now, right click on the project in the Social Explorer, publish. It will open the publish window. Again, you click on the publish button on the top right hand side. Yeah, the Visual Studio will deploy the shortcode and then it will publish the code into the target folder. Yeah, so you see here, we have a website running via IIS folder. Okay, open the folder and you see here, we have all the shortcode have been deployed into this folder. I will delete that. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, let me open some shortcode here in the view, homepage, open the index. Yeah. So you see here we have some information the ASP.NET, ASP.NET EF free web. Okay. So here, edit this one. Hello from Xian Wu. Contact me if you need any support. Okay, save it. And okay, so you save it this one and you try to refresh this website. Yeah, you see we don't have any update here because this is running the shortcode in this folder. Yeah, and for now the code in Visual Studio is pointing to another folder. Okay, here, hang on. Open in the file explorer. It will be in the another folder. Okay, cool. So we have to publish it from this folder to the target folder. Okay, so right click on it, project, publish again, and then publish. Yeah, you see here, we have the hello from Chinwu. Contact me if you need any support. Yeah. So normally when you publish anything from the Visual Studio to the IIS folder, so you have to define some the deployment process. Okay, so actually when you are working in the team, when you deploy anything to the IIS show, you have to open the IIS server and then you have to stop this one. Yeah, you select the website and take a look into the right hand side in the action and go to the manage website, click on stop. Yeah, when we publish the website to the MVC, to the ASP.NET MVC folder, it can work. But if you remember in other video for the ASP.NET Core MVC, if the website is still running, we cannot publish the source code into the target folder. It says that we have to stop or some other feature or some other service is running, so we cannot publish it successfully. Okay, so let's publish again. Yeah, after publish again, because for now we are stop the service for that folder, so it will see the default web page. Okay, and let's come back and start it again, and then come back to the website, and then come back to browser, refresh this one. So for now, because you are hosting the website in the IIS, so you can close this Visual Studio and the website still running. Okay, all right. So I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to, the first one, create a project for ASP.NET MVC. The second one, you know how to install the IIS, Internet Information Services, on the Windows 11 or even in the Windows 10. Okay, the third thing, you know how to do some configuration to publish the shortcode from the Visual Studio 2022 to a target folder of the IIS. Okay, and then you also know how to run the project via the IIS. Okay, so now I will stop this video. I hope this will helpful for you. So if you have any question, let me know and I will try to collect it and answer it as soon as possible. Okay, again, bye bye and see you guys in the next lesson.